Okay, hey guys, it's me again. So if you watch the YouTube video with my face of me explaining everything, now I just want to show you on the screen, okay? So I am on Brooke's Clever. She was nice enough to let me do that so I can show you what everything looks like from the student side, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is click Edsby right here, which I already did, okay? And then you're going to sign in with your account. Okay, and then when you go to Edsby, this is what your front page should look like, okay? So she's going to go down to Barnes's Homeroom Science. Okay, so in the video, when I was talking about things being pinned on the side, that's this right here, okay? So everything over here to the left. These are things that I want you to see first. So when you log on, yes, of course, there's all this stuff on here, right? It gets overwhelming. So if you just look right here to the left, that's the things you need for today or for tomorrow or right now, okay? So there's three things here. The first thing I pinned right here is what you're doing for today, Monday, which is completing all of this work. Then I have your attendance poll. And then I have the big long to-do list I posted for the week that I was talking about in the video, okay? So these are the only things you need to look at right now, all right? So let's talk about this first thing right here in red. So yours might not be in red if you've already looked at this. So this is the thing I was talking about where I gave you a detailed list of what to do, okay? And then if you look right here, all these links are either the mystery science you need for the optional lesson for today, Monday, April 6th. You do not have to do this. It's just a fun little lesson on the most dangerous animal in the world. You're going to be so surprised when you find out what it is. Okay, anyway, so that's the optional lesson. Then these YouTube links, like if you click it, it's just the readings or
Need a professional website?
well, this
I created one for our startup using Wix.
This is the
Let me show you how I did.
Well, hello
tomorrow,
guys, it's Chris
okay?
from
So you'll click that, and then if you click the next one, it should be the reading you need. Yes, okay, so it's the reading, and this is the one I was talking about where I didn't click the button for it to read it to you. I'm just gonna go back to Edsby, where I didn't click the button for it to read it to you. So when you're on it, you're just going to let it play, so push play, okay? And then I scrolled down so you could see, but like if you wanted to read that, you could push pause and then read it very quickly. And then I went ahead and clicked the next page for you. So you'll just push pause again. And if you were reading the top part, you would read it till you were done and then let it keep scrolling like that, okay? And that's just if you're not able to go on to Clever and scroll down until you see the Ed smiley face, okay? Which takes you to your science book. So if you know how to do this, you don't need my YouTube links, okay? This is just for those of us who are still struggling. So when I click the science book, we are in Unit 11, okay? So you're gonna scroll over to Unit 11, and then if you go back to Edsby, I told you you're reading pages 524 to 527 first. So you go back to the book, page 524 is right here, and it's the exact same thing as the YouTube video I have here. Okay, so whichever one works best for you. If you're not someone who wants to click all these links and go onto Clever and find all these things, then you just go right to Edsby and you click the links that I gave you here. Okay, now the other thing I wanted to show you is tomorrow after you read right here, you have 2 questions to answer. This is what I was talking about right here where it says this week. If you click this, okay, these are the questions that you have to answer. You can't see anything right now because it's not even starting until tomorrow. And I did that on purpose because I really, really, really want you to take today to make sure you're completely done with last week and you're ready to go for a new week. I know it's hard, I know it's challenging, but I am here for you. And I just really, 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 really want to close out week 1 before we jump into a new week any more confused than we already are. Okay, so anyways, tomorrow you're going to click this, and I think it says take test or start assignment. But anyways, you're just going to click it. You'll click the button when it pops up and you just type your answer right in the text box. If you are like me and you like to color coordinate and you like your fun little pens, you can still write it on a piece of paper. And then when you click this in the text box, you'll just put send it to you through a message or wrote it on a piece of paper and we'll send it to you. Okay, that way it looks like you did the assignment. Okay. I think that's it. As you scroll down, you can see all of these things that I penned over here. Okay, so here's your long to-do list. Here's today's attendance, and here's what you're supposed to do from today. And I also included a picture of all of the assignments from last week if you also don't want to click anywhere else. Okay, and then as you scroll down, you'll just see stuff that we've already done. Maybe you didn't finish and you need to scroll back down. Okay, so when I post things, I'm going to pin it over here. So late tonight, I'll unpin these things so they go away and I'll pin the new things for Tuesday. Okay, I hope that made sense. Again, you're gonna go to Clever, you're gonna go down to Edsby, click Edsby, and then you're gonna log in and you're gonna click Mrs. Barnes's homeroom, Miss Alday's homeroom, Miss Reed, Miss Palmer, so on. Okay, and then it should look like this. The only other thing I didn't show you is this PDF file. So when you click this, it should take you to the lessons for today. Let me see, hold on. Download, sorry. Okay, so when you click download, it should show up at the bottom of your screen if you're on a laptop. It should do this on your phone as well. It just might look a little bit differently. And this is just a document I created to keep it organized, okay? So it tells you the day of the week, it tells you what your attendance is, it tells you what you need to read or the material you're going to use, and then what your assignment is, okay? Lots of places you can look. If you're confused at all, I have it posted here. I have it posted in that PDF, okay? I sent the PDF to your parents, and I'm going to do a day by day of what you're supposed to do also. And then I have this video, and then I have the one of myself actually talking, or I'm talking here too, my face showing you what to do. But if you have any questions at all, please, please, please let me know. I'm here for you, okay? Even if it's after 2 o'clock when school ends, I have my phone all night. On the weekend, I've been talking to you guys for the last 7 days. So if you need me, just reach out, okay? You're doing a great job. You got this. Take a deep breath. Go outside, get some fresh air. Close your eyes. Say what you're thankful for. Whatever you need to do, just breathe and we will get through this together, I promise, okay? Bye. I miss you. Bye.